Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Qatar Airways for students 2026. As you can see, I'm on their website, so you just need to go there as well. Right now, I'm on the homepage. There are two situations here. First, if you've already booked a flight and want to add extra baggage, and second, if you haven't booked yet and want to include extra baggage during booking. Let's start with the first one. Click on the search icon and type Manage Booking. It should appear as a popular option. Then enter your booking reference number and your last name. You can find this number in the email ticket they sent you. Once you enter the details, you'll be able to access your booking. From there, simply choose the Modify option and add extra baggage. Now for the second scenario. If you haven't booked a flight yet, just start the booking process. While booking, go to the baggage or luggage section and select the amount of extra baggage you need. Keep in mind, this may cost a little extra. And that's it. This is how you can easily add extra baggage to your flight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.